Hello, Marhaban bi Gumfi Seven Production. Welcome to the 16th day of 75 Hard Challenge. So, आज का दिन we're gonna start with the 45 minutes of indoor workout. Without wasting any time, let's go and hit the gym. Life is all about the small choices you make, guys. और ये है आज की सेल्फी. Hello guys, my indoor workout for 45 minutes is complete. Now I'm heading towards my office. So as I promised yesterday that I'm gonna document each and everything. So as of now मैंने breakfast नहीं किया अभी तक. I'm just had protein shake. So वहाँ पे मैं order करूँगा. And let's see how the day goes, guys. See you. That's my healthy breakfast full of protein. This is my lunch, guys. It's not so tasty, but कुछ था नहीं option पे ही खा. Hello guys, I'm back from the office. So now I'm gonna start with my 45 minutes outdoor workout. So let's go. And I found this Chinese guy. They're really nice. I don't know what they're doing, but I like it. Hello guys, 16 days of 75 hard challenge is complete. I'm very tired. I'm gonna go home and sleep and get ready for tomorrow, which is 17th day. I love you all. Peace.